Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide phone number on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply download Telegram on your app on your mobile phone if you don't have one. So once you have downloaded it, you need to get into its sign up process and get signed in into your account first. So once you have got your access to your account, all you gotta do is simply tap on the three lines. Once you simply tap on the three lines, you need to go to settings, and there you need to go and tap on your privacy and security. After tapping on privacy and security, you can simply go to phone numbers. Now, in your phone number section, you can simply select nobody. After tapping on nobody, you can simply get assured that no one is going to see your phone number as it is now hidden on Telegram. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.